Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is to return to your heart. The beat of your own drum, the lyrics and contents of your own soul. What is that saying? You're one of one. You're original. You came into this world by yourself. You're going to leave by yourself. You have your own fingerprint. No one is a duplicate of you, your manifestations. The way that you see life outside of your 10 eyes is totally different from any other being in the world. That's what makes you so exclusive. So you outgrow people, places, things, activities, hobbies, job opportunities. But you always replace them with bigger and better ideals, better activities that suit your evolution. I breathe light and stick to the essentials of my soul. The present moment, I'm with my calm thoughts. I focus on my heart and find a space to be in your happy place. Where light and greatness are, I find peace and inner silence. Have a prayer life, a meditation, go out to the elements life, however you communicate and you calm your spirits, going to your favorite body of water, your favorite lake, being in the forest, wherever your favorite place is to be, where you find silence and it brings you power. It's time to return there and listen to yourself and gravitate to the places and things that you love to do. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.